Uh, so hi everyone. First I'll remind you all कि हमने last time we learned a tukra and then we also like did the tihai that is very similar to the tukra, and both of those were in Drutalai, which is a very fast thing. So today we'll do something very different from that. We'll go and learn like a different new type of dance piece जिसको हम paran कहते हैं. So it is slightly different than what we've done before, and it's slightly more complicated as well. But before we start that, for our warm up हम लोग पहले तीन ताल का बोल बोलेंगे और फिर हम रूपक ताल का भी बोल बोलेंगे. ओके, बिकॉज दैट वाज लाइक अ डिफरेंट ताल दैट वी हैड लर्न. सो हम लोग पहले वो दोनों रिवाइज करते हैं एंड देन वी विल लर्न इनटू व्हाट न्यू वी आर लर्निंग टुडे. ओके, तो आप लोग भी मेरे साथ बोल सकते हैं अभी तीन ताल का बोल. आई थिंक हमने बहुत बार किया है तो आप लोग को भी आ जाएगा अभी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा. सो लाइक आई जस्ट रिमाइंड यू ताकि जब हम रूपक ताल करें आपको वो मोर इजीली याद हो द डिफरेंस. तो 16 बीट्स होती है. तीन ताल में 16 बीट्स होती है, लेकिन रूपक ताल में सिर्फ 7 बीट्स होती है. एंड तीन ताल वी स्टार्ट विद अ क्लैप, तो हम ताली से शुरू करते हैं. लेकिन रूपक ताल इज दी ओनली ताल इन कथक जिससे हम खाली से शुरू करते हैं. ओके, सो अब हम रूपक ताल बोलते हैं दो तीन बार. सो इट्स तिन तिन ना धिन ना धिन ना. So I'll remind you कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay? So अब हम बोल के साथ में बोलते हैं. So तिन तिन ना धिन ना धिन ना. So that was the teen tal and the rupak tal. So I'll also let you know that mostly the pieces and the tukras that we do are always in teen tal because it's more uniform and it has 16 beats. But rupak tal we learn it just so that we can say like a different tal with a different style. Okay, but not a lot of pieces are set in it. So now today we'll learn a new ginti. Like a ginti is a play of numbers that हमने एक पहले की थी, अब हम एक और सीखेंगे. So this ginti is in Drutalai. Matlab it's a lot faster than the one that we had learned previously, and it's slightly different, but it's in Drutalai, so it's faster. And today we'll also learn the paran that I was talking about. So paran is like a dance piece, but it's slightly different than the tukra. Although it like seems like one, there's a slight difference. So before we start with the paran and ginti, we'll just revise the ginti that we done previously as a warm up for our legs. So now you can stand up or sit down. So I'll be standing up, but you can do this ginti while sitting down as well. So I just remind you that in this ginti, we emphasize on different numbers. तो हम 1 से 8 तक नंबर्स बोलेंगे और हम emphasize different number पे करेंगे हर बार. और जब भी हम गिनती या बोलते हैं और हाथ नहीं यूज करते हैं तो हम लोग के हाथ समापन में रख सकते हैं. So your left hand like this, palm facing up, and right hand on top of it, and then you can lock it and keep it at your waist like your stomach level. और हमेशा पैर हम V में रखते हैं and then like we can start the गिनती. So if अब अगर आपको याद है तो आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हैं. Otherwise I'll do it first and explain it and then we can do it together. तो हम ये गिनती दो बार करेंगे. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like अगर आपको ये याद नहीं है तो आई जस्ट क्विकली लाइक रिवाइज रिमाइंड यू ऑफ द की पॉइंट्स. तो जब भी हम गिनती शुरू करते हैं तो हम हमारे राइट पैर से शुरू करेंगे और ये गिनती में हम नंबर्स 1 to 8 बार बोलते हैं. राइट, तो हर एक बार जब भी हम नंबर 1 वापस बोलेंगे तो हम हमेशा राइट पैर से शुरू करेंगे. सो द 1 is always on the right foot and every time in those 8 beats हम एक डिफरेंट नंबर पे एम्फेसाइज करेंगे। तो पहले वाले में हमने 1 पे एम्फेसाइज किया, फिर दूसरे वाले में हम 2 पे एम्फेसाइज करेंगे till we reach 8. So it happens 8 times. And so like this is kind of slow Ginti, but the other ones are a lot faster usually. So we did this in the beginning of the classes, so that was slow. But you know we can always do it at an increasing pace. So हम हमेशा ये गिनती थोड़ा fast भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's try to do it a little faster this time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. और आपको अभी पता चल गया होगा कि जब मैं एम्फसाइज बोलती हूँ मतलब हम वो बीट ज्यादा जोर से मारेंगे, like we'll strike our legs faster, like just to make a louder sound so that the audience can like they know what is the ginti, what the ginti is about. Okay, so this was the ginti that we had learned like a couple of classes back, and this time we'll not only learn a new ginti but it will be slightly faster, and it is slightly more complicated, and it will involve a little bit of hands as well. Okay, so that is the ginti we learned this time. So I'll just introduce you to the ginti. So the ginti is like a play of numbers, as I said, and in this new one, हम लोग 8 beats की होएगी. Like you know, like the first time हमने it was based around 8 beats. Even this time it will be based around 8 beats only. But every time it will start from, it will go from like 8, 7, 6, 5, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first we did 1. Then 1, 2, but this time the pattern is ulta. So we'll begin with 8. Okay, so I'll just tell you all how the ginti is. So the number we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like each phrase हम 2 बार repeat करेंगे. Okay, then when we get to 7, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो 7 हमने 2 बार बोले. फिर हम करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 we said 2 times. फिर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 we said 2 times. And the last part that involves the hands is dha din dha. Okay, so it's just the hand movements. It's very similar. So I'll just show it to you. I think you'll be able to predict it as well. So it's dha din dha. It's very casual. Okay, so dha din dha. We do it every time. It's usually at the end, but we put our right hand ahead and up. Then our left hand behind slightly and up, and then right hand down. Okay, हमने ये स्टेप बहुत बार किया है पहले भी. So it's just 1, 2, 3. Okay, so dha till dha. सबको समझ आ गया था लास्ट 3? So अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि ये गिनती में हम कोई भी नंबर एम्फेसाइज नहीं करेंगे. So all the beats are very uniform. It's only going to be like flat, 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 like 8 number of times or something. The only trick in this is to हमेशा the new number, the one will always start with the right foot. जैसे पहले हमने 1 right foot से शुरू किया था, अभी भी हम 1 right foot से शुरू करेंगे. But because इसमें the number of beats is decreasing from like 8, 7, 6. Sometimes we will end on the right foot and we have to begin from the right foot itself. So it's not always alternate, because if I do like 7 beats, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then to do 6 beats, हम वापस right से शुरू करेंगे. Okay, so you just have to remember कि the first beat always happens in the right foot. Otherwise, it's in fact easier because you're blessed to remember in this, but it's faster, which makes it slightly more tougher if you look at it that way. Okay, so ये आप गिनती वापस बैठ के कर सकते हैं if you can't stand up, and if you're more comfortable sitting on a chair, आप ये गिनती बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं. But I will stand up and do the गिनती. So first मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ गिनती पूरी, और फिर आप मेरे साथ ठीक कर सकते हैं. Okay, I'll then teach it to you like step by step. So first मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So it becomes 1 second. It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the ginti. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि दैट आई डिड इट स्लाइटली फास्टर, बट जब हम अभी सीख रहे हैं ना, we'll do it at a slower pace, okay, and then we can ramp up the speed. But just to learn the correct steps, हम पहले ये बहुत slowly करेंगे और फिर ज़्यादा तेज करेंगे, okay? So again, we keep our
Kiara, you have to stand little back. We couldn't see the feet. Yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah, fine.
Now can you see my feet? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So हम हमेशा हमारे पैर एक धीमे रखेंगे जब गिनती कर रहे हैं और हाथ समापद में. So पहले हम करते हैं 1 से 8 तक काउंट्स. So it becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's flat. Okay. So it's only flat legs, so it should be easy. And the 8th is on the left foot. So then वापस जब हम 8 तक गिनती करें तो राइट फुट से शुरू होगी. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we counted to 8 2 times. Okay. So अब हम वापस करते हैं 8 तक की गिनती. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. इतना सबको क्लियर हो गया? Like all of you got the clear idea now? Like till now? Okay. फिर अब हम 7 तक करेंगे. तो हमने 8 किया 2 बार, अब हम 7 करेंगे 2 बार. Okay. So it becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And this 7 ends with the right foot, but we will begin also with the right foot only. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो अब हमने किया 7 2 बार, again flat, and it ends with the right foot both times. Okay. So now अब हम 6 करेंगे. 8 किया फिर 7 किया, अब 6 2 बार करेंगे. So it becomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. एक और बार 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो हमने 6 किया 2 टाइम्स और अब हम 5 करेंगे 2 टाइम्स the same way flat. So 1 2 3 4 5, and it ends with the right foot, but we will start with the right foot again. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we did 5 2 times, and the last one is dha dum da, which is right left right only. We just do dha dum dha. Okay. So the last 3 counts are just dha dum dha. I'll show it to you again. So we're at this when we do 5, and the last 3 become 1 2 3. Okay, so right, left and right. जो मैंने हाथ मूवमेंट्स पहले दिखाए थे. So it's very simple. हम लोग 8 2 टाइम्स करेंगे, 7 2 टाइम्स करेंगे, 6 और 5 भी 2 टाइम्स करेंगे, और फिर हम करेंगे धा धन धा. Okay, so let's do it once. Like आप मेरे साथ कीजिए, मैं बोलती हूँ, and we'll go really slowly. Okay, when we do it. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Dha tin dha. So we did the thing right now, and just I'll let you know, just to appear more graceful and to become more stable, right? If you can try to keep your feet in a V and not move, like try not to move. आपको हिलना नहीं चाहिए, like in this ginti. Try to remain in the fixed spot, okay? So like just try to be in the same spot, just to make it seem more graceful and more balanced, okay? तो अब हम ये गिनती एक और बार करते हैं, and now I won't give you the directions in the middle of it. मैं सिर्फ बीच बोलूँगी, okay? So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Dha dum dha. Okay. So I think the trickiest part of the ginti would be to remember when the dha tin dha comes, because it's only feet till then, and when the hand movements comes, it's only about being alert to remember when it comes. So it's only at the end, okay? So we'll do this ginti for one last time, because I think कि आप लोग सब लोग को भी आ गए. बट अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है ना तो आप अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते हो. Okay, no questions? Okay, then we'll do it one more time, okay, at the same pace, okay? So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 धा and धा. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood the Ginti. Agar if you want to do it one more time or you have any questions, just let me know, okay? Otherwise, we'll do something else now because I think the Ginti is over, okay? So now we'll do the Paran. So अभी तक हमने सिर्फ टुकड़े और तिहाई करी थी, पर अब हम परन करेंगे. तो it is called so because the beats या जो बोल होते हैं ना परन के, they're derived from the pakvaj, like the musical instrument pakvaj. It looks like kind of like a tabla. You know, it's usually used in weddings, a pakvaj. So the bowls are very heavy, like they're like dhet, dhet, dha. They usually start with dh, and they're very heavy bowls because they're meant to replicate the musical instrument. So they are usually very strong and heavy bowls that we usually do in pakvaj, but in paran. But otherwise, it is kind of like a tukra only. There is not a lot of difference in the pace of it or anything. Okay, so same speed, only bowls are slightly heavier, and the movements are slightly atypical. They're not huge like the usual movements जो हम टुकड़ा या तिहाई में करेंगे. Okay, and it's repeated only once, just to clarify. Okay, so I'll just let you know that this paran is starting with dhet, dhet, dha. Okay, so I'll just tell you the bowls first. So it's dhet, dhet, dha, trako, dhet, ta, trako, dhet, ta, ghe, ghe, tita, kat, tita, gadi, gana, dhan, 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 dha. Okay, so it's quite short actually, but the bowls are heavy as what's in a paran, but it's not very complicated. Okay, the hands are just like the movements are different, but it's not a lot tougher. Okay, so I just repeated once more the bowls of it so that you remember how lyrical it is. So it's dhet, dhet, da, trako, dhet, ta, trako, dhet, da, ghe, ghe, tita, kat, tita, gadi, gana, dhan, 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 dha. Like that's it. It's quite short, okay? So first, I'll show you the entire paran, like with hands and legs. You just try to sit and observe. और फिर मैं आपको हाथ मूवमेंट सिखाती हूँ और फिर हम पैर के मूवमेंट्स करेंगे and then we like join it together and do it together everything, okay? But मैं आपको सिर्फ पहले दिखाती हूँ तो आप पहले सिर्फ देखिए कि कैसे करते हैं. Okay, I'll just tilt my camera so you can see it. One second. Okay, so we move a little more in a paran. So I'll start from a little behind, but then you can see it, okay, now. So, dhet, dhet, dha, chak, dhet, dha, chak, dhet, dha, ghe, ghe, tita, kat, tita, gadi, gada, dhan, 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 dhan. Okay, so it's faster, but the steps you can see are very easy, okay. So that is the paran. And now first I'll teach you the hand movements of the param and then we'll do like the leg movements, okay? So for the hand movements, it starts with dhet, dhet, dha. So 3 beats in which we do dhet, dhet, dha. So we just take our right hand first, dhet, dhet, dha. The third beat is empty. We only get our hands back in utpatti, okay? Also, I'll remind you how the utpatti is. Like you keep your palms together and just bend the index finger over the thumb like this. Utpatti. So हाथ हमेशा हम उत्पत्ति में रखेंगे. So the first 3 beats is right, left, right hand ahead and ऊपर, bring it back. Left hand ahead and ऊपर, bring it back. And the third beat is empty. Okay? So हम ये एक और बार करते हैं. Dhet, वापस, dhet, वापस, and dha. So dhet, dhet, dha. Okay, सबको समझ आ गया इतना? Dhet, dhet, dha. Okay, that is easy. और I'll just remind you कि आपके पास कोई भी questions हुए ना तो आप मुझे बीच में बोल सकते हो, okay? So we did 3 beats, dhet, dhet, dha. Now we have troko, dhet, dha. So troko, dhet, dha is the kadhan. So it's troko dher tha. So I'll remind you of the kadhan. So you just lift your hand and your shoulders over your head and flip your palms like this and bring it back down. I think we have done this kadhan a lot of times. So agar aapko yaad hai, it's great. Otherwise, you can just put your palms facing like on different sides, join them by your wrists and flip it. Your hands will move in only one direction. So whichever जो भी direction seems more natural, आप वैसे आपके hands bend कीजिए, okay? So like rotate them like this, okay? So we'll do Troko Dha. So Troko Dha. So आपके पास 3 beats है to do the kadhan and bring your hands back to Utpatti. Okay? So we did Dhet, Dhet, Dha. Troko Dha. Okay? Then it's again. Troko Dha is again. So हम same thing एक और बार करेंगे. Troko Dha. Okay? सबको समझ आ गया? So three beats, then 3 beats, and then again 3 beats. That is the pattern. Okay? So first Dhet, Dhet, Dha. Troko Dhet, Dha. Troko Dhet, Dha. Okay, इतना सबको समझ आ गया? Then there is Ghe Tito Kat Tito. Okay, so the Ghe Tito, you basically आपका right hand लीजिए ऐसे, और yeah, you can bend it a little bit, and your left hand you will keep at your like waist level and just like keep it flat and attach your like wrist to your body. Okay, so like this, just so it looks more graceful. Like when you stand up, तो आपसे better होएगा. Okay, but Ghe Tito Kat Tito, we put our right hand down like towards the left hand. So like right hand को left hand के इधर रखिए. So Ghe and Tito. So what we do, actually I'll stand up and show you. You can sit and do it, but I'll just stand up and show you just for clarity. So हम करते हैं Ghe, right hand नीचे रखिए, left hand के इधर, left side पे. So cross Ghe and Tito, right? So हमारा right hand नीचे से ऊपर ले जाने वाला है. Okay, so from back, behind and down to ahead and up. So it's like a diagonal. Okay, so I'll show it to you again. Right hand थोड़ा ऐसे cup कीजिए, like so that's go. फिर आपका right hand आप इधर रखिए, आपके left hand की side पे जो ऐसे रखा है. So Ghe is on your left side and behind. Ghe Tito, Kat Tito. Okay, so you elongate your hand, like you make it a complete straight line, your right hand, and your cup you will turn so that your palm is facing outwards. Okay, तो पहले ऐसा था आपका हाथ और फिर ऐसे हो जाता है, तो एक है straight line. Okay, on the right hand side. तो आपका पहले हाथ एक कप है, आपके लेफ्ट साइड की इधर और पीछे, और फिर सब Ghe Tito, Kat Tito तक इधर ऊपर रख सकते हैं. Okay, so it becomes Ghe Tito. Okay, now we do it faster. So Ghe Tito. सबको आ गया? So it's only the right hand, your left hand is constant, so don't focus on your left hand at all. अगर आपका left hand थोड़ा slip भी हो जाए तो चलेगा, because the focus is on the right hand. Okay, so from behind to ahead, diagonally. And आप देख सकते हैं कि I'm bending a little bit as well, like I'm bending my body a little. तो अगर आप कर सकते हैं, you can also do it. It brings more like grace to the form and like a little more movement into the dance. Otherwise, it's very robotic, right? So we bend a little bit, it looks better. Okay, so we'll do it Ghe Tito in one beat nowadays. First we did in 2 beats, now in 1 beat. So Ghe Tito, and it doesn't have to be very high, like it can be slightly high and just bend towards it. And just to make it easier, you can also look where your hand is going just for better coordination. Okay, that is easier for you as well. So Ghe Tito. सबको आगे ये स्टेप Ghe Tito राइट साइड पे. अब हम वापस हाथ लेफ्ट साइड पे ही करेंगे. ओके, पर पहले हमने लेफ्ट का पीछे किया था, फिर राइट और ऊपर. अब हम लेफ्ट और मिडिल करेंगे, तो मिडिल लेवल पे. तो पहले नीचे का हाथ, फिर ऊपर का हाथ, और अब मिडिल लेवल पे होएगा. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? So left, right, and left again, and down, up, and middle. It's little confusing. I understand. It's quite tricky to remember, but just go with the flow of it if it makes it easier. Okay. So Ghe Tito, Kat Tito. So what I did was I did 1, 2, and then my left hand picked up from here, and you just face both your palm on the left side, okay? So your right hand will be shorter than your left hand because it's on your left side. So face left, like look towards the left, face towards the left, and just keep your hands this way, okay? So it becomes ghe, teether, cut, teether. And I'm keeping my palms like open. I'm not doing anything. They're just straight lines like this, like parallel lines. I'm not doing any mudras with my hands at all. Okay, it's very simple. So ghe, teether, cut, teether. And make sure that both your hands are parallel and at a medium level. Okay, so now you see me once. I do it very slowly, and then I'll revise the last 3 things for you. Okay, so ghe, teether, cut, teether. Okay, so we put our right hand in a cup and at the bottom towards your left side. Then we, in a straight line, we remove it and put it up on the right side. And then we took both our hands and put it parallel to each other on the left side, middle level. Okay? अब मुझे पता है कि ये hands बहुत confusing है, it's tricky जो भी हमने पहले किया था, तो आपके पास कोई भी questions है ना, तो please ask them, okay? Or if you want me to repeat it once more also, I'll do it. So, हमने किया आपके राइट हैंड एक कप में लेफ्ट साइड पे नीचे, सो इट्स क्रॉसिंग, फिर घे घे टीतर, राइट हैंड ऊपर एंड बाहर, एंड देन कट टीतर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड मिडिल लेवल. ओके, गॉट इट एवरीवन? सब समझ आ गया इतना? ओके, तो हम अभी बिगनिंग से करते हैं सिर्फ हाथ के मूवमेंट्स. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट विथ धैर धैर धा, फिर त्रको धैता, त्रको धैता एक और बार, और फिर घे घे टीतो कट टीतो on the left hand middle and parallel hands. ओके, इतना सबको समझ आ गया? हम ये एक और बार करते हैं सिर्फ हैंड मूवमेंट्स. ओके, स्लोली. सो हमने किया धैर धैर धा, त्रको धैता, त्रको धैता एक और बार, और फिर घे घे नीचे, घे घे टीतो कट टीतो. ओके, दैट इज इट टिल नाउ. तो वी एंडेड कि लेफ्ट साइड पे मिडिल लेवल पे दोनों हाथ ऐसे घे घे टीतो कट टीतो, और फिर गोदी गोनो में ना, इट इज गोदी गोनो, and we bring our hands back to utpatti. So now you can bring it straight back, but just to make it slightly more like rhythmic, you can rotate your hands and bring it back. Okay, because in this there is no real footwork, so it's only on your hands. तो आपके हाथ ऐसे मिडिल लेवल में थे, तो आप दोनों को ऐसे टर्न करके उत्पत्ति में ला सकते हो. So like don't turn it outside, turn it from inside, तो अंदर से और उत्पत्ति में. Okay, so गे गे टीतो कट टीतो, और फिर गोदी गोनो. It's quite slow like the godi gono. You only have to bring your hands back to utpatti. So we have more time, इसके लिए हम turn करते हैं. So if you can, you should do it. But it will also make your wrists more flexible. But if you can't, then it's okay. You can just bring it back in utpatti in a regular way also. Okay. So हमने किया घे घे टीतो कट टीतो लेफ्ट साइड पे मिडिल, और फिर गोदी गोनो. सबको आ गया इतना? घे घे टीतो कट टीतो गोदी gono. Is this clear? So we finished a lot of this and we came back to utpatti itself. Okay, so now we do this entire part one time because after this the hand movements are very easy. Okay, so हम शुरू से अभी तक करते हैं. Okay, एक और बार. So we started with धैर धैर धा, त्रको धैता एक और बार, त्रको धैता, फिर घे घे नीचे, घे घे टीतो कट टीतो गोदी गोनो. Okay, so we'll just do the last part again. So down, your right hand is in a cup on your left side and down, नीचे रखिए. So घे घे एक straight line में फिर ऊपर ले जाइए, टीतो facing on your right side ऊपर and bend if you can. घे घे टीतो कट टीटो, फिर दोनों हाथ मिडिल लेवल पे लेफ्ट साइड पे, और फिर गोदी गोलो. You can rotate your hands inwards and get them back to utpatti. Okay, so we did the hand movements from dhet dhet dha, troko dhet ta, troko dhet ta, ghe ghe tito kat tito godi golo. Okay, so most of the complicated part is done. Now I'll just show you the end. So the end is dhana 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 dha. So dha comes 5 times in the end. Okay, so you know, we can do right is behind, right hand goes behind, and then the left hand goes ahead. Okay, so you keep your hands from utpatti, आप आपका right hand पीछे ले जाइए एक straight line में middle level में, it's not up or down, middle level पे, और फिर left hand आगे straight line में middle level पे left side. So it's like a diagonal, it should look like this. Okay, like ऐसे है technically. So you have to do dhana 1, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड आगे 2, फिर वापस लाइए, फिर अगेन राइट हैंड 3, पीछे ओनली सेम मूवमेंट, फिर वापस लेफ्ट हैंड 4 आगे, और अभी द फिफ्थ मूव में वी विल चेंज आवर डायरेक्शन. तो पहले ऐसे खड़े थे, अब हम उल्टे खड़े होंगे और वी डू धा, राइट हैंड ऑन द अहेड दो एंड मिडिल लेवल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हमने किया लेफ्ट राइट हैंड पीछे मिडिल लेवल पे, ये सब कुछ मिडिल लेवल पे ही है. ओके, तो राइट हैंड पीछे 1, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड आगे 2, फिर राइट हैंड पीछे 3, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड आगे 4, और फिर हम हमारा डायरेक्शन चेंज करेंगे ताकि राइट हैंड आगे हो जाए. ओके, सो लाइक you will realize how to change by yourself. Like when you just put your right hand ahead, your body will automatically turn in that direction. Okay, so don't worry about it, it'll happen. Okay, and also remember, okay, when you put your hand behind and bring it up utpatti mein laiye, so it looks like it's connected, right? So I'll show it to you how it should look. It should look ki one hand comes back, the other hand automatically starts, and then when the left hand comes back, the right hand automatically starts. Okay, so there are 5 beats. So we do right, left, and then right. Okay, those are the directions. So right hand I'll show you one last time. So right hand पीछे middle level पे 1, फिर left hand आगे 2, फिर right hand पीछे 3, फिर left hand आगे 4, और फिर आप body direction change करके right hand right side पे रखेंगे, like आगे. Okay, so first you're facing your right side when you're doing this, but then you're facing your left side more and when you're doing the last step. Okay, the last step you don't have to like completely change your body direction, just to make it more natural and put your right hand in front. Okay, so we finished all the hand movements. किसी को किसी में भी doubts है, like any doubts you have? No? Okay, so हम ये एक बार पूरा करते हैं only hand movements. Okay, so आप बैठ के कर सकते हैं if you're tired, because I know that it's little strenuous. तो आप बैठ के कर सकते हैं या आप खड़े होकर कर सकते हो. Okay, whatever suits you. So पहले हम उत्पत्ति में हाथ रखेंगे. Let's begin. Dhet dhet dha, troko dhet ta, troko dhet ta, घे घे नीचे, घे घे टीतो कट टीतो, godi gono, back to utpatti, and then right hand behind first. So dhana 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 and dha. Okay, so सब लोग को hand movements अभी समझ आ गए? If you have any doubts, please just let me know. Okay, like कोई भी doubts है hand movements में तो आप मुझे अभी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, nothing. So we did the hand movements. Now हम लोग अभी leg movements भी सीखेंगे. Okay, so I'll just show you the leg movements first, so you can look at it clearly. So just think of it as very natural with your hands. So जो भी हाथ आपके हाथ, like whichever side your hand is going, वो ही हमारी legs भी होंगे. Okay, so just look at my legs and hands first, and then I'll teach it to you. So with dhet dhet dha, it is right left right. ओके, बिकॉज पहले राइट हैंड ऊपर है, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर है, और फिर राइट कोई भी हाथ नहीं है, बट इन एम्प्टी बीट वी विल स्टैम्प अ राइट फुट. ओके, सो इट्स राइट लेफ्ट राइट, फ्लैट फ्लैट फ्लैट. सब समझ आ गया? सो इट इज धेत धेत धा. वेरी सिंपल. राइट लेफ्ट राइट. On the third beat I repeat कि कोई भी hand movements नहीं है. Okay, so this is how it should look like. धेत धेत धा. एक और बार. धेत धेत धा. Okay, then we do trappa धेत धा. मैंने बोला था ना कि trappa धेत धा में भी 3 beats है. So again it's only going to be 3 beats, that is right left right. So we did dhet dhet dha, trappa dhet dha, and in both of them it's right left right. Okay, so आप मुझे पहले देखिए. So dhet dhet dha, trappa dhet dha, right left right, right left right, and all beats are flat. अब हम वापस करेंगे trappa dhet dha. So again it's going to be right left right, only the same thing we're going to repeat. Okay, so trappa dhet dha, right left right. So it's very simple actually. If you realize with the footwork, it becomes even like more coordinated. So एक और बार करते हैं. Keep your hands in उत्पत्ति. Okay. So धेत धेत धा, trappa धेत धा, trappa धेत धा. Okay. So we did 9 beats, and all of them begin with right left right. सबको समझ आ गया इतना? Okay, so that dha, trappa dhet dha, trappa dhet dha. And now for ghe ghe teeter, cut teeter, just look at what I do first and then I'll explain it to you. So it's ghe ghe teeter, cut teeter. Okay, so what I did was when our right hand goes behind, right, नीचे जाता है, तब आपका right पैर पीछे जा सकता है. Okay, so you can keep your right foot on your toe. Okay, so right foot is behind on your toe and your left foot is ahead. So just like try to see and learn. Okay, so we do ghe ghe, right foot behind with your right hand behind, right foot behind, ghe ghe teeter. So when your hand moves ahead, your leg comes back to your original position and comes ahead. Okay, and like I'm going to try to shift my balance because I'm trying to move my body also entirely जब मैं मेरे हाथ और पैर move करूँ. But if you find it more stable to just like be a little static, that's also okay. Okay, just आपको आपकी बॉडी लाइक यू नो इट बेटर देन आई डू. सो जितना भी आप कर सकते हो आप उतना ही कीजिए. ओके, सो आपका राइट हैंड नीचे, तो घे घे, राइट फुट पीछे, घे घे teeter. राइट हैंड एंड राइट फुट विल मूव साइमल्टेनियसली. सो एक और बार करते हैं हम. घे घे teeter. ओके, एंड देन कट teeter. So I had said कि कट टीटर में दोनों हाथ ऊपर हो जाएंगे, राइट? तो इस बार हम करेंगे घे घे टीटर कट टीटर. So for this हम हमारा लेफ्ट फुट स्टैम्प करेंगे and you can try to lift your right foot a little bit. Okay, so like I'm just lifting it a little bit at ease, like it's a little bit, not a lot at all, and it's very casual. Okay, so it's slow and casual. Okay, so I'll do it once more. So घे घे, right foot behind on your toe, घे घे teeter, right foot आगे लाए, and फिर cut teeter. Left foot stamps and right foot goes up. Now of course अगर आप right foot ऊपर नहीं ले सकते ना, तो please just keep it at the same level. It doesn't make a lot of difference actually. Okay, it will continue to look as good. Okay, तो हम I just remind you कि हम पैर हमारे हाथों के साथ मूव करते हैं. So if you remember the hands clearly, the legs will be very easy. Okay, so right hand पीछे, right foot पीछे on your toe, घे घे teeter, cut teeter. Okay, and then goli golo. In goli golo, all I'm doing is bringing my right foot back and I'm taking a step back. Okay, now if you want to just bring your right foot to the original position, it's okay, but I find it easier that like if you're in a lifted position, to bring your both your legs back is more stable than bringing it back to the original position. Okay, तो आप एक छोटा सा पीछे ले सकते हैं if you want. तो हम थे घे घे टीटर कट टीटर ऐसे, और फिर गोली गलो. It's very simple. उत्पत्ति में और V में legs, like the original position. Okay, the first position. उत्पत्ति and legs in your V. घे घे, तो हम एक और बार करते हैं तो घे घे का, सो घे घे कट तीटर और फिर गरी गर। ओके, सबको समझ आ गया लास्ट 3 स्टेप्स? ओके, सो हमने किया घे घे टीटर कट टीटर एंड द लास्ट इज गरी गर एंड लास्ट इज धा 5 टाइम्स, राइट? तो हमने किया था कि पहले राइट हैंड पीछे जाएगा, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड आगे आएगा इन दोस 5 beats. So the feet are exactly the same. Okay, the only thing is कि we are moving while we do these steps. Okay, so we're going to take 4 steps because there are 4 beats in which we do this. So मैं आपको पहले दिखाती हूँ. So धान 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 धा. Okay, so you can remember the hand movements, right? It looks exactly the same. पीछे आगे और फिर आगे. And now the only thing you have to do is put your right and left foot ahead alternatives. Okay, alternately. So पहले right hand से शुरू करते हैं, तो right पैर से शुरू करते हैं. So धा, and what I'm doing is I'm not bringing my foot ahead like this, like not straight ahead. I'm crossing my left foot. Okay, because then walking it becomes a little more complicated and looks a little better. So जब भी आप आगे step ले रहे हैं, तो आप cross कीजिए आपकी left foot, then you lift it and cross. So you move the balance of your body as you take your steps. Okay. So it's 5 beats. तो मैं आपको वापस दिखाती हूँ. पहले right foot आगे, फिर left foot आगे, फिर right foot आगे, फिर left foot आगे और फिर धा. I'll just start from a little behind so you can see them clearly. Okay. So 5 beats and we start with the right. Right, left, right, left, and the last step we just hit our right foot. We don't take it ahead, we just stand with it. Okay. So अब हम ये हाथ के साथ करते हैं and take small steps. You don't have to take big steps at all. So we start with the right hand and right foot. So it becomes dha, right पैर आगे, right हाथ पीछे, फिर dha, left hand and left foot, dha, dha, and dha. The last dha has to be like sturdy so that it's very clear कि खत्म हो गया पर. That was the last beat. Okay. So हम ये last का part एक और बार करते हैं. Okay. So हमने किया dha, dha, right foot right hand, left foot left hand, and last dha. Okay. Now I know that it's very complicated actually. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी डाउट या सजेशन है तो मुझे बोल सकते हो. Okay. If you want me to do it one more time, I'll
Repeat, yeah. Repeat.
I'll repeat it.
Yeah.
Okay. So first I show you only the legs. Okay. तो अब आपका right पैर से शुरू करेंगे because there are 5 beats. So first right, then left, then right, then left, and the last right foot will stamp. Okay, that is the legs. And now whichever leg is going, that hand will move, right? So whenever we are moving our right hand, the right hand हम पीछे move करेंगे. So right hand पीछे हमेशा और left hand आगे हमेशा. Okay? So पहले right foot का तो right hand होगा. So right.
When you put right hand, right foot ahead, the right hand goes behind.
Correct.
So
The right
it is like this. I mean,
yeah.
the right hand and the right foot is. So you are turned.
Opposite direction.
Oh.
Got it. It is a little confusing, but you're correct. It's in opposite direction. So right ahead, foot is ahead, hand is behind. But then when you put your left foot ahead, the left hand goes ahead only. So that is in the same direction. Okay, so we do it one more time, just the end. So it is dha, 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 and dha. Okay. I hope the ending is clear to you. Now the 5 dhas, and that's how you end. And I know it's a little complicated, but if you do it like with practice, I think you will all get it. Okay? Like when you break it down, it's quite easy. So अब हमने पूरा परन सीखा है, the hand movements and the footwork as well. Okay? So अब हम ये पूरा परन starting से इधर तक करते हैं. Okay? So We start with head tha. So I'll just show to you once to refresh your memory और फिर आप मेरे साथ कीजिए. But first I'll just show to you, okay? So उत्पत्ति से V में पहले पैर. So head tha. Third tha. Right, left, right, and then the right foot behind. Peter, right foot ahead. Then cut Peter, left foot and right in the air, and then Gurdi Gurna. Utpatti and dhana, dha. So now let's do it like आप मेरे साथ कीजिए and we'll do it slowly, okay? So first 3 things we only right, left, right. So with the simple hand movements, so करते हैं हम जल्दी. So dha, dha, trapa, dha. Trapa, फिर घे तीसरा कट तीसरा गोदी गोलो then dha and dha. So now we learned the entire Paran. I hope that all of you understood it, but like so if you're all comfortable with it, so if you have any doubts or anything, you can ask me now, okay?
Video, no? You will send it on WhatsApp. This.
Yeah, the recording.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Because then we can practice.
Correct. And I'm sorry, I know it's a little complicated. I will send it, okay? I'll send the bowls also of it with it. It's called a Paran. Okay, so that was all that we were going to do in this class. So thank you so much everyone for joining.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for joining, Auntie.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.